Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the Sperax treadmill and the well-fit walking pad treadmill. Today, we're diving deep into what makes each of these compact treadmills stand out, guided by online reviews and feature comparisons. Stay tuned to find out which treadmill might be the perfect fit for your fitness journey. When it comes to price, the Sperax treadmill is priced at $499 United States dollars, which might seem steep for some. However, the well-fit walking pad comes in at a more wallet-friendly $399 United States dollars. According to reviewers, the lower price point of the well-fit makes it an attractive option for those looking to save. The Sperax treadmill offers an innovative two-in-one design that appeals to users who value versatility in their workout equipment. On the other hand, the well-fit walking pad features a unique voice control function, which reviewers find futuristic and convenient for hands-free operation. Both treadmills boast connectivity features, but they take different approaches. The Sperax has a multifunctional LED display that's praised for its ease of use, while the well-fit excels with its smart app integration, allowing for a more interactive and engaging workout experience according to reviewers. In the motor and noise department, the Sperax treadmill comes equipped with a 2.5 horsepower motor appreciated for its power. The well-fit, however, is noted for its quiet operation, despite having a similar 2.5 HP motor, making it ideal for those needing to keep noise to a minimum. Portability and space-saving capabilities are crucial for compact treadmills. The Sperax is lauded for its no-assembly space-saving design, while the well-fit, at just 4.9 inches thick when folded, is celebrated for its ultra-portability and ease of storage. Both treadmills have their strengths according to online reviews. The Sperax treadmill is praised for its versatility, quality, and power, making it a solid choice for those willing to invest a bit more. The well-fit walking pad, on the other hand, wins points for its affordability, quiet operation, and innovative features like voice control and app integration, making it a favorite among tech-savvy users. Thank you for joining us in this detailed comparison between the Sperax treadmill and the well-fit walking pad treadmill. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a more informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. For more details and to check out these products, the links are in the description. See you in the next video.